Have you ever noticed how video calls, online games, or live streams continue even when some data is lost? That happens because of a protocol called UDP. Let's understand it using this diagram. UDP stands for User Datagram Protocol. It is a communication protocol designed for fast data transmission. Unlike TCP, UDP is connectionless, which means it does not check if the receiver is ready before sending data. In this diagram, you can see a sender and a receiver. The sender sends data packets directly to the receiver without establishing a connection first. There is no handshake process like SYN, SYN-ACK, or ACK. When the sender sends data using UDP, it simply sends the packets and moves on. The receiver may receive all packets, some packets, or even receive them out of order. UDP does not check if packets are lost or request retransmission. For example, think about a live video call. If a small part of the video is lost, it is better to skip that data than to pause the entire call. UDP allows this by prioritizing speed over reliability. Another example is online gaming. In games, receiving the most recent position of players is more important than receiving old data. UDP helps games stay fast and responsive, even if some packets are lost. UDP is also used in live streaming, DNS queries, and voice over IP services. In all these cases, speed matters more than perfect accuracy. Because UDP does not establish a connection or track packets, it is much faster than TCP. However, this also means it is less reliable. UDP does not guarantee delivery, order, or duplication protection. In short, UDP is best used when speed is more important than reliability. It allows fast communication with minimal delay. So whenever you are watching a live stream or play an online game, remember that UDP is working behind the scenes to keep things fast. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want a detailed comparison between TCP and UDP.